Hi guys, welcome in my channel and in my kitchen. And you probably clicked on my video because I had that big stomach and small stomach, right? And so that was my stomach, and I thought I say a couple of words how I lost it, and then we make kombucha. So this is what happened. For maybe 2 years my stomach is like very big and I have no clue what's going on. I look like I'm pregnant, like 6 months pregnant or something like that. And so they find something. I had a surgery, but after the surgery it's like 8 months passed and my stomach is still like huge. So I went through a whole bunch of other more testing, ultrasound, blood test, B test, colonoscopy, I don't know, everything. And they find nothing with me. And what happened, I got a scoby from my classmate and to make kombucha. And then so I started to make this kombucha, and maybe I make it maybe 2 months, and then my stomach totally went down. So I am very happy. This is the only thing what I changed in my diet. I'm eating the same food. Maybe the probiotics acted in my guts and sucked it down. But anyway, my stomach went down, and I think is from the kombucha. So let's make kombucha. Hi, so this is how you make kombucha. Very easy actually. Boil the water. I leave the recipe in the description and in the video too. And basically you buy organic black tea. I ordered that from Amazon. And then organic sugar. Boil the tea, the water, and then steep the tea for a little bit, like it give color and a good soak. I would leave it for like 10 minutes and let the pot cool down all the way, then add the sugar. Okay. We're going to transfer it to the jar. Okay, so here is the jar, and after the tea is cool down, you have to leave 1 cup of what is it called, the bacteria liquid from the Scoby hotel. So you have to leave this much in, and then I'm going to put 1 Scoby in. Yeah, like that. And now you just have to put the tea into this jar. Like, I put it on my textile shelf. This is what I was able to find, and I put the Scoby hotel beside it, and then they staying here for 1 week, and I am not bothering it and in the kitchen or something, because otherwise you would just leave it in the countertop if you have space there. But my kitchen is too small, so this is where I find the place for it. I have lots of Scoby hotel. I think I'm going to, in Scoby, I'm going to make maybe kombucha later. So check me out for other video. Okay. So after 1 week comes the second fermentation, which is the best part. And I'm going to use this bottle. I also bought this in Amazon. You have to have a pressure safe bottle because I'm going to use one because the bottle, what is this called? The jar is enough for 2 bottles and this much. So I'm going to use the original bottle, but this already started to like the tea coming out of it last time I made it. So you have to have a special bottle, otherwise this could like break and everywhere is going to be the kombucha. So I truly suggest to have this bottle. And I'm going to make apple. I made different kinds. Strawberry and raspberry was the best, and kiwi, and basically any kind of fruit you can do. I do fresh fruit, so never frozen or never juice, always fresh. And what else? Let's peel the apple and put it into the bottle. So here are my bottles. I put the apple in them, in this little thing. I pushed it in, and I'm going to use 2 pressure safe bottle and another one that I bought in the store. And here is my kombucha. I took off the top of it and looks very nice, looks healthy and perfect to Scoby in it. And now I'm going to put the Scoby into the Scoby hotel and then transform the liquid into the bottles. Basically, I just wanted to show in the video where I'm keeping them after they bottled. And then, so this is how it looks like. Looks very nice color. And then you have to fill it up all the way so it's not too much air in the bottle, and no another Scoby can evolve on the top. And then I keep them here in room temperature in my room. Is going to be fermented, and then so 2 days after you put it into the fridge and you can drink from it. And don't leave it too long. I mean, sometimes I open it after a week, but then the bottle is so pressurized that it can just blow up and the whole kombucha comes out in like foam. And the whole kombucha what you made, it just come out and wasted. So I don't wait too long to ferment it second time, maybe 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, and then slowly you can open the top and you can drink from it. It's safe, but I wouldn't wait for too long. Okay, thank you. So I just wanted to say that thank you for watching for my video, and hope you try kombucha, because it's so easy to make and so many health benefits for it. And I have my kombuchas, they are so cool, so I hope you're going to make some too. And thank you for watching. Bye.